The Refoundry gives formerly incarcerated people a second chance. The organization all about helping make change. And tonight they're giving back in a special way to take care of people behind bars during the pandemic.
Changemakers, brought to you by Adapt Community Network, empowering people through innovative solutions one person at a time. We change.
Giving people a second chance by providing skills and opportunity. That's a mission of Refoundry, created by Tommy Safian and Cisco Panito.
We train formerly incarcerated people to repurpose discarded materials into home furnishings and mentor them into their own businesses or career track jobs.
The program involves 3 stages over the period of a year. So far, 10 businesses have been born with the help of Refoundry, giving jobs to more than 125 people. We first learned about the Refoundry back in 2016.
So as they're imbuing these materials with new value, they're feeling they're imbuing themselves with new value.
When I spoke with Tommy at their location in the Brooklyn Navy Yard.
Now, though, you're adding something else as a result of the pandemic and COVID-19.
Well, we were forced by COVID-19 to put our on-site programming on hiatus. So we launched something called Makers Make Masks that enlists formerly incarcerated people who were homebound because of the pandemic to help combat a public health crisis by sewing reusable, washable masks for the most vulnerable people in our society, the incarcerated and the homeless.
These masks are being donated to homeless support services in Los Angeles and Rikers Island here in New York, where more than 850 masks have already been delivered. With the help of grants and donations, Refoundry set up 20 formerly incarcerated workers with the sewing machines, pre-cut fabrics, technical support, and training.
So this is a sample of the mask. This is the inside, which is a softer fabric. It's thick but breathable.
How important is it for the people who are actually doing the sewing and were formerly incarcerated to understand how needed they are?
This provides people with the opportunity to demonstrate their value to themselves and to their communities and to society. And it really does mean a lot.
Well, thank you so much. Well, once the pandemic ends, Tommy says Refoundry plans on launching a second location in Los Angeles and also moving into a new space at the Brooklyn Navy Yard as well. He says they expect to have around 45 formerly incarcerated people training at each one of their locations when they're able to relaunch. If you know a change maker in your community, reach out to me on social media at Tamsen Fidel.